What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to use the calendar view on monday.com. Now, as you might know, monday.com is a great organization tool that you can use to manage your projects and your tasks for your work or personal life. And you can get many views and organize your tasks in many ways. So let's get right to the video. Now here I'm on my main workspace, and as you might know, you need to add or to create a workspace here first. And in your workspace you need to add a board in order to get your task or write your task in it. So this is like a test board here that I was working on, and here I have some tasks here related to work and some others related to my own like video recording, for example. So I've set up some sample tasks here, and this is the main like table view, which are I can organize all my tasks in and view them in a table. I can rearrange them, I can filter them by persons, by status, by date, or I can add new columns here for new criteria. And I have a Kanban view similar to what you found on Trello, where I have the tasks as cards here, where I can drag them to the list that I want. Now, in this video, I'll focus on the calendar view, and to add a view, go to the plus icon here, click on Add New, and you have many views to choose from. Now, one thing to note is that the calendar view is only available for the paid plans, not for the free plan. However, I can try it for free here for 14 days, and that's what I'll do in this video to show you this view and how to use it. So try calendar for free. Okay, it's starting my 14 days free trial for the calendar view, and now it is added. So here, as you can see here, I have the calendar view. So let's add a widget here. I can add a widget for anything that I want. Let's say battery. Okay, and this is like my tasks here. These are my tasks, which are like organized in like percentages, and here I can resize the widget to show more data on it. Now let's add another widget here. I can add more widgets. Let's search for calendar, and here I can add a calendar widget as well. So this is the main focus. As you can see here, I have a monthly calendar. I can view monthly, weekly, or the daily calendar, sorry. And let's go back to monthly. And here some tasks are like do have a date. If I go to the main table, I can view that some tasks have a date. However, one task, which is the buy milk, doesn't have a date. So that's why it doesn't show here. Now each task shows in the date and the status. So if I go back to the calendar here, you can see here that each task is in its respective date and its color highlighted with the color of the specific status here. And if I click on any one, I can edit the status and assign it to a person, edit the date, and so on. And I can also drag different tasks to different dates right here. And if let's say this edit the video is, let's go back to the main table, edit the video is planned. If I change the status here to, for example, working on it, and go back to the calendar view, now the color is changed and the percentage of the tasks which I'm working on it is increased. Now you can see here your progress at any time in this widget here, battery widget. However, let's delete it for now, just to focus on the calendar view. Now here I can click on any day in the calendar, the monthly calendar here, to add tasks. Let's say I want to add a task here due any 28th, and let's name it buy groceries. And the status is let's say it's planned. Okay, create item, and the item is now created. And if I go back to the Kanban view, I can see it here, or the main table view, I can see it as well. Now here in the calendar view, it's all about focusing on the date, so which task is due on which date. Each view here can focus on something. In the Kanban view, you can focus on like get a glimpse on like your status, so how many tasks are planned, what are the tasks you're working on, and what is done and what is stuck. So you can focus on the tasks that deserve your focus right now. In the calendar view, it's on the obviously on the date. You can focus on the tasks and view each day which are the tasks that are due to, more organize or spread out your tasks across the month or the week if you want to. Now, if we switch to the weekly view, we can see here the task here at each day. And this is the edit the video task here is shown at 9 a.m. As you can see, the others show at the header of the day because I haven't set an hour for them. However, for this one, edit the video, if I click on it, I have it set here to 9 a.m. in the 25th of June. If I click on any one of these, you have only a day, so they don't show here in the weekly or the hourly view here. If I do click on any of them, I can add a time to it. Let's say like this one, I'll do it, okay, add time here. I'll do it at 1 p.m. Okay, and if I close this now, it will update, and you can see here this download the files is now at 1 p.m. And also the same as with the monthly view, I can add tasks here. By clicking on the add or the plus icon here, I can add a new item, and it automatically adds it in the this time frame or this time slot. Here, let's say get car washed, okay, and it is planned, create item, and as you can see, it's here. And as with the monthly view, I can drag items to a specific time slot. There, let's say I want to drag this item to the 29th at 7 a.m. Who gets the car washed at 7 a.m. But just for the sake of this video, I'm doing some random stuff. So if I go to the daily view, let's go to the 25th here, and as you can see, edit the video is now spread at 9 a.m. So in the daily view, you can get focused on what to do for this day only. So it's pretty useful. You can go ahead and jump between the different views here, monthly, weekly, and daily, in order to focus more on the tasks available. And now you can go ahead in this widget as well and expand it and change the size if you want to add more widgets here in the calendar view if you want to. So I can, as I added a battery widget right here, you can go ahead and add as many widgets as you want in this page, so to focus more on the tasks that are ahead. Now here I can add the calendar to the full view, it in the full screen, to remove any distractions here. Let's go close it for now, and let's view the settings, and you can choose here date columns to view in this calendar, and this you view some additional settings to show hours, show the color legend. Here, these are the color legends for each task, and you can hide the weekends to focus more on work days. However, I'll show them. And choose the default event duration. So each event here that you add, or each task that you add, is by default for 30 minutes. You can edit the default duration if you want to. And here you can choose all groups to show, or you can show other specific groups here from the board. So here I have two views, the company and the side hustle. And if I choose to hide the tasks of the side hustle, as you can see, they are hidden. And what I mean by that is that if I go here to the main table view, I have two groups, the side hustle tasks and the company tasks. So I can show the task that for the group I want to better organize my work and focus on the task that I really need to be done. And that was pretty much it. That's how easy it is to use the calendar view on monday.com.